What's up guys, this is Nicholas from NAP, and today I'd like to represent our new NAP headquarters to you. So how about you just follow me? As you can see, there's always something to do. The first thing we're going to show you today are actually our offices. So the offices were completely built new, I think 3 or 4 months ago. As you can see, everything is new here, from the floor to the walls to the ceiling. Actually, my favorite part is our brand new bar. For the customers who want to wait on their cars or want to wait on the development cars, they can just sit here, have a nice coffee, and even have a nice hiding if you like. So from here, I can show you one of our offices. This is actually the biggest office, which is my office, our sales office. Here you can even see my right-hand man, Matt, doing sales as usual. So yeah, as you can see, everything new here too, from the ceiling to the lights, to the wall, everything new. But the thing is, even though we made everything new, we still wanted to keep this characteristic of a manufacturer. That's why we chose the design of the brick walls in combination with the LED lights in combination with the black and the orange. I really enjoy coming here every day to work because honestly, in my opinion, it's really nice here. It's cleaned up here and I need a cleaned up office to work because otherwise everything is gonna go down south. Another part of our office would be our big conference room. As you know, in a company like ours, we need a special room to have our conferences because there is always something to talk about, either sales or purchasing or just business development. So this is our conference room. I really enjoy it here. Let me know in the comments how you like our conference room. All right, from the conference room, we're going to go to our development office. In this office is where all the magic happens when it comes to new products and of course new exhaust systems and of course new carbon fiber pods. So come on. So this is it. This is our development office with 4 workspaces for 4 developers. And as I said, here everything of the interesting stuff happens. But I got one small room I can show you, which would probably be quite interesting for you too to see. Check this out. For the freaks under y'all, you would already know these are 3D printers. And we have 3 of them right now. We are actually doing a lot with these 3D printers. Like I said, they're used mainly by the development office because everything from new products to like pieces to get like pipes welded on and stuff get actually designed here before they get built out of stainless steel, which makes sense. The first room of our production basically is the welding room. So y'all saw already some clips of our welders working here. And I often say this is where the artwork actually happens because the welding our welders do is, in my opinion, real art. So from this room, you can actually go to our shipping department and to our preparation department. But I'm going to show you the preparation department now first. So follow me. This is the preparation department. Here actually everything happens from pipe bending to pipe cutting to actually putting it all on the table so the welders can have to weld it perfectly. Here the quite interesting part is actually the machines we have here. Because if you look to my left side, this is actually a laser cutter. So not just like a regular saw which cuts the pipes, we really invested into high-end technology to cut every pipe how it should be. So in my opinion, really cool. I mean, you can see the NAP, it's not just like some small company where some guys stand and just like bam, 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 bang against the pipes. This is actually a high-tech, high-quality, iron building company basically. So really cool. It's not just exhaust systems that I told you. The other big machine would be the pipe bending machine. Here you can already see getting bending right now. So the really interesting thing about this machine is, of course, pipe bending. It's quite difficult, especially with stainless steel pipes, because if you don't bend it right, there are going to be like small ripples in the pipe. And every small ripple is the cause of like, they have to just the stream through the pipe being all curled up and stuff. We don't want that. We want a pipe where the stream of the engine goes straight through. So that's why we invested in like a really expensive pipe bending machine. So every exhaust pipe is the best quality we can offer you. But from the pipe bending machine, you can follow me to the third big machine we actually have here. And as I already mentioned before, our quality promise is that everything gets built here in Nordhorn, Germany. We don't want to get parts from, I don't know, China, India, whatsoever. Every product that leaves the NAP was built from the raw material to the finished product here in our NAP halls. So, to think about this, look at our NAP laser. You can actually see here, everything gets cut here. From the covers for the silencers, way to other parts for the exhaust systems, everything actually gets cut up here. Because of this machine, we don't have anything to worry about because we can do everything with this. And if I say everything, I really mean everything. Maybe you can name in the comments something that this machine can maybe cut for y'all. I'm telling you, there's nothing it can't cut. The next smaller room I can show you, but which is actually the heart of every exhaust system we ship out. All our silencers get built, which is pretty interesting too, because the silencer at the end of the day is the heart of every exhaust system. If the silencer is not good, the exhaust system is either too loud or too quiet, or the sound is just completely messed up. So all the magic for the sound design actually happens here. Look at this. Here we actually have machines which bend the sheets that come out of the laser to the welding roboter. And this is actually the only roboter that is in this company. As you know, usually every here gets welded by hand, but the welding line this robot actually welds is the most important line on the absorber, basically. So this line has to be 100% every time. And so accurate as this robot really does the line, no human being can do that. To actually show you what exactly this robot does, so y'all have like a picture in your head which cause this machine actually has. Here you can see this welding line was welded by our robot. Like I said, it's actually the most important one on every absorber, because if this line is not holding up, the whole thing is going to fall apart. And we don't want that. So, yeah. Welding robot. Alright, moving on to the next working space. We got our mounting department. So, we actually used to offer to actually mount the exhaust systems under the customer cars here. We don't do that anymore. The actually meaning of that is we can't offer our customers to build the exhaust systems under their cars because honestly, we are packed out with development stuff. So now it's pretty empty here, I know, but that's because I told the colleagues to move all the cars out of the way so I can show you this place. But honestly, this place is always really, really packed because here are all the cars which get new exhaust systems or carbon fiber parts developed. That's why we can't offer our customers to actually bring their cars here anymore, because we don't get any space anymore. So, after showing you our mounting space, I want to show you our shipping department. So in the shipping department, all the finished exhaust systems come to actually get packed up and to be sent on their way to the lucky customer. As you can see, we actually got a really big shipping department, which is the main cost because we produce a lot of exhaust systems every day, and we always try to basically keep the promise of delivering between 3 and 5 work days. One thing though, because a lot of y'all will be now, you always say 4 to 5 weeks. That's true. Because we actually don't build exhaust systems for the stock. We only build the exhaust system once it's ordered by the customer. So, if you order an exhaust system, the order comes directly to us, and we directly start to build it. After the building is done, it comes here to get packed up and get shipped to you. All right, so now I gave you a walk around of actually the main parts of the NAP headquarters, which would be the offices and the production. I know, I didn't show you all the offices, but I mean, at the end of the day, office is office, so nothing special about it. But I hope I could give you a good idea of what we actually do in this production. So I do want to teaser that this was only the first part of the video, because the NAP headquarters actually consists of 3 halls. So I showed you the main one today, but we got 2 pretty exciting halls too. For instance, the carbon fiber manufacturer. But that will be actually too long for this video, so that will come in the next videos. So until then, as always, stay tuned.